right, good morning. Happy Monday. If you have correctly clicked into the bio or the environmental science Bitmoji on the top of your class stream, then that's great. That's where you should be. Okay, all of the links for today are going to be here except for the last one. Okay, so if you look at the do now, that part's on Classroom. It says check in for attendance on Google Classroom. GC is short for Google Classroom. Okay. Now it shows a whole bunch of study materials because today's assignment is a Google Forms quiz. Okay, but first what I want you to do is review the materials that we have been using the last couple weeks in class. Okay, so the first is a student-paced Nearpod. The first couple questions are regarding like attendance policies and everything. I don't really care about that, but in order for you to flip through the actual Nearpod, they want you to answer it. So you can answer them just to kind of progress through that part of the Nearpod. Just don't worry about the accuracy of it. Okay? I'm more concerned about the 4 Earth systems that we talked about. Okay? Again, here is a little Kahoot. So in case you missed that Kahoot in class, I know we didn't actually get time to go through it. There's a pin there that you might have to put in. All right. I'm going to click in this. All right, again, there's some attendance questions on there. Don't worry about the attendance questions and the classroom policies. Just worry about the 4 Earth systems questions. Okay, you're going to click out of that. And the last thing here was the EdPuzzle from last Monday. Okay, this is probably going to be your most helpful tool. All right, this is the video about all 4 Earth systems, which if you guys don't remember, the hydrosphere, which is water, the biosphere, which is life, the atmosphere, which is the air, and the geosphere, which is like the actual land on Earth. Okay, so that is a really quick review, but honestly, using this video is going to be a lot more helpful than me just talking at you. Okay, so when you feel like you're ready to go ahead and take that Forms quiz, it says Forms quiz on Google Classroom. It's graded as a minor assessment. Use the links above to help you study. Okay? You're welcome to check the Google Forms out beforehand, which would be, to me, a smart option, but if not, no biggie. You're going to go back into your environmental science classroom, and it says here, it's actually going to show up a little bit later for you. It says Monday assignment quiz. Okay? That'll be at the top of your stream just under the Bitmoji classroom tomorrow. Okay? It says take the quiz. You're either going to have to click submit or turn in. And like it says, like I said, you may use any items you need in Bitmoji to help. You're going to click on this guy. It's going to open. You're going to select your answers. Make sure that you answer every single question. Some of them are short answers. Some of them are multiple choice. And like I said, at the end, you're going to click this purple submit button. Okay, so that is your Monday assignment. I will see you guys on Wednesday. Yeah, you like that? Wednesday, because I don't see you guys on Tuesday. Don't forget, I do have some office hours tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure what they are yet. Depending on my IEP meeting schedule. You are welcome to text me anytime between 8 and 2:30, and I'm probably going to be available, but text me first, and we can set something up if you get stuck. All right, I'll see you guys Wednesday.